Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today we will compare about two leading automated meeting tools, Red AI and Firefly AI. The line to Red AI and Firefly AI are the description, and let's start it. Red AI, as described by our reviews, Red AI offers a set features aimed at enhancing productivity and meeting with its real time transcriptions capability. Red AI accurately convert speech into text and making it easy capture meeting discussions on the fly. Other hand, Firefly also presents itself as powerful meeting assistant aiming to streamline and meeting management and note-taking process. Like Red AI, Firefly offers real-time transcription service allowing user to capture meeting discussions effortlessly, and however where Firefly AI sets itself apart advanced features and such as AI powered action item tracking, meeting summaries, and integration with popular productivity tools like Trello and Slack. And the term of user experience, both Red AI and Firefly AI over intuitive interfaces and seamless integrations with popular calendar platforms like Google Calendar and Microsoft Outlook. However, noted that Firefly AI have slight edge in terms of stability and advanced features, particularly for looking more comprehensive meeting and management solution. Ultimately, choice between Red AI and Firefly and specific organically needed skills and powerful tools for automated meeting. Thanks guys for watching this.